Okay.
Erica was trying to figure out how to send out, so she was having,
Yeah, this is where you could, you could go in there and say, well, if they did not register or did not attend, probably do some kind of tagging or something like that in there. You could pull up everybody that did not attend and then just send a blast email out to them. The other thing that I would probably recommend, we just need to kind of think through the process, but for you guys, since you're doing those live events, and congratulations that the stuff I saw on your videos and stuff looked amazing. So great job on that. How can you give us some feedback on how it went?
Sure. Yeah. We had probably, how many Rika we had registered on an Eventbrite? I think it was like 65 people registered.
Yeah, 68, I think.
68 people registered, but we had more people coming at this event because we had to bring more shares. We noticed that, and they come with their, his wife and kids and everything. So we have attendees, probably about 56 people.
Wow.
And on that, we had that day, we kind of switched a little bit, and I had them, when we're doing an event, to schedule a calendar event, and we had 17 appointments set up that day.
Wow.
So the same thing. We did a lot of more stuff at the previous event, and then so let's go and try to do this, and it worked out pretty good because we had more people come in, and also we had 17 appointments registered into Eventbrite.
I mean,
me to Calendly.
That's great. That's amazing. So you're holding an event. You're using the Eventbrite framework, the site there. Those leads come into Sam. You're able to set up different types of routines, and I don't know if you've got those set up, but what you could do is if they attend, then you're sending out messages to them, reminders of the event, even post-event reminders or follow-up type things, and then once they register, then those registered appointments, those technically could come in as well as activities as well. So lots of really good stuff that you can do. Set up some automations to be able to do those and build that process. Once you've got that process set up, then it doesn't matter if you've got, well, it does somewhat, but you've only got so many slots in your Calendly to be able to do this. But it doesn't matter if you've got 5 or if you've got 50 or if you got 500. That'd be a bad problem, right? But the whole process is making sure that you've got routines set up to be able to help you do the automation, do the sending out of stuff,